So that's all the bolts or studs out, apart from that one which you can't get out because the frame is in the way, and that one which you leave in. So hopefully I should now be able to pivot the engine up, which will allow me to knock this bolt out, or stud rather, and then this one can come out and the engine should be free then. So let's just give it a, see if it will lift on the rear. I need to just loosen that one off, I think that's putting pressure on it. There we go, it's just that one. Holding some pressure on the engine. Right, now, is that far enough to get that one out? A bit more. Don't know if you can see this, I've actually got this on the stand there. So crank that up. Right, this is the one I want to get out, this one here. Which is quite tight. And the punch. Right, that's that one. So this is now the only one holding the engine in. So if I pull that one out on this side, there's the spacer that goes on there. Another little spacer there, where'd that ping from? Right, and now, feeling strong enough, should be able to lift this out. Get hold of something. Right, engine out. Right, I'm going to remove the oil pump drive shaft, and to do that this dowel here needs to come out, which apparently if you use one of the timing chest screws should fit in there. Should be able to pull that out. A tight fit. It's quite a tight fit. Yeah, that's that out. That's the oil pump. I think these two with the washer, I think they're the ones that actually hold it in place. There's the oil pump. And the drive shaft. Right, so it's supposed to be playing the big end, or it's supposed to be a noisy big end, though I couldn't really hear it. They've got some side to side play there, which you should have a little bit anyway. Up and down, yeah, I think there might be. It's really hard to feel, but probably worth doing. Got this far. And also with the mains, seem to be any play up and down, but again, once we're out and measure them on this side, the same. There is some lateral play, which I don't know whether there should be that much. Measure this. Probably not the most accurate way. 6336. Pull that in. Try and get on the same spot. Six 027. 6336. 6336. 6027. Yeah. There is about 3 mil. Yeah, I have to check the specs. I don't know if there is any for that. Whether there's shims or anything in there, or whether it's just bearing. So I'll have to check that once we strip it down a bit further. So that'll be the next thing. Split the crankcase. So we got 3 bolts. So looks like it. Not very tight. 1, 2, 3. Can't get on there. Can't get on there. The ones you have to do with the spanner are the tightest ones. This is where an engine stand is probably handy. Not a lot to get hold of. That one. Right, so that should be all the bolts.